secluded channel for all things beautiful and functional for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're stepping outside to talk about one of the most sought-after features for any outdoor area, the privacy. So, what exactly do we mean by outdoor deck privacy design? Simply put, it's the art and science of creating a secluded and intimate atmosphere on your outdoor deck or patio, shielding it from the gaze of neighbors, passersby, or even just creating a more defined and personal space within your own yard. It's about transforming your open-air extension into a true private sanctuary where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy the outdoors without feeling exposed. This could involve anything from strategically placed structures and lush greenery to innovative screening solutions, all designed to enhance your comfort and enjoyment. Now, why should you invest in outdoor deck privacy? The benefits are abundant. First and foremost, privacy provides a sense of peace and tranquility. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee or an evening meal without feeling like you're on display. It fosters a more intimate and relaxing environment, making your deck a true escape. Secondly, privacy can significantly enhance the functionality of your outdoor space. You'll feel more comfortable hosting gatherings, practicing yoga, or simply unwinding after a long day when you know your space is your own. It can also help reduce noise pollution and create a cozier microclimate, especially if you're using dense plantings or solid screens. Ultimately, an intentionally designed private deck adds immense value to your home, not just aesthetically but also in terms of your quality of life. You might be thinking, how do I make my private deck look beautiful? The key is to integrate your privacy solutions seamlessly into your overall deck design. Think of your privacy elements as an extension of your decor. For instance, if you're using a privacy screen, choose one that complements your deck's materials and your home's architectural style. Incorporate climbing plants like jasmine or clematis to soften hard lines and add natural beauty. Layer different textures and materials, such as wooden screens with metal accents or lush foliage against a stone wall. Strategic lighting, from string lights to pathway illumination, can also define the space and add to the ambience. Don't forget comfortable seating, decorative pillows, and outdoor rugs to make the space inviting. The goal is to create a harmonious blend of seclusion and style, making your deck not just private, but truly a showstopper. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. Here are our top 10 best outdoor deck privacy design ideas, featuring some incredible inspiration. One, lattice privacy screens with stepping stone path. Garden charm. Lattice privacy fence with defined deck area. This charming backyard utilizes classic lattice fencing to create a private deck area. The lattice, while offering some visual permeability, still effectively defines the space and creates a sense of enclosure, particularly when plants are trained to grow on it. The raised wooden deck provides a clear separation from the grassy lawn, which is traversed by an inviting stepping stone path. The overall design feels open yet private, with ample space for both relaxation on the deck and enjoyment of the surrounding garden. It's a great example of how simple, traditional elements can achieve effective privacy. 2. Modern metal pergola with geometric screens. Contemporary chic. Geometric screen pergola for stylish privacy. For those who love modern aesthetics, this design is a masterpiece. The striking black metal pergola features intricate geometric patterns on its roof and side panels, offering both shade and effective privacy. The repeated square motif provides a contemporary and sophisticated look, allowing dappled light to filter through while obscuring direct views. The integrated wooden bench seating below enhances the functionality of the space, creating a cozy gathering spot. This design demonstrates how privacy can be achieved with a strong artistic statement, blending form and function seamlessly in an urban or modern backyard setting. 3. Lush oasis with fire pit and hot tub. The ultimate backyard retreat. Integrated privacy with natural elements. This design truly defines an outdoor sanctuary. The strategic placement of mature trees provides an immediate sense of enclosure and natural shade. The wooden privacy fence, enhanced by vertical greenery on the right, creates a solid barrier without feeling imposing. The pergola structure over the hot tub adds another layer of privacy and architectural interest. This space perfectly balances openness with seclusion, offering a cozy fire pit area and a private spot for relaxation in the hot tub, all within a beautifully landscaped setting. The soft lighting and inviting furniture complete this luxurious and private outdoor living area. 4. Multi-level deck with pergola and planters. Inviting heights, multi-tiered deck with integrated privacy pergola. This charming multi-level deck offers privacy through clever architectural design and abundant greenery. The tiered steps themselves create a natural barrier, while the wooden pergolas on either side provide overhead screening and support for climbing plants. The strategic placement of numerous potted plants and overflowing flower boxes softens the hard lines of the deck and adds bursts of color and life, further enhancing the sense of seclusion. The large orange umbrella offers additional overhead privacy and shade, making this deck a vibrant and private outdoor haven perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. 5. Custom privacy screens with abstract cutouts. Artistic expression. Custom metal privacy screens with abstract design. Here, we see another excellent example of incorporating custom privacy screens into a deck design. These black metal screens feature an abstract, horizontal cutout pattern that is both modern and effective at obscuring views. The screens are integrated into a wooden frame, creating a striking contrast and complementing the light-colored wooden deck. The strategic placement of outdoor furniture, including a fire pit, creates a cozy and private lounge area. The overall design feels contemporary and thoughtful, demonstrating how privacy elements can also serve as artistic features in your backyard. 6. Classic wooden fence with pergola and outdoor sofa. Cozy corner. Traditional wooden fence and pergola for intimate decking. This classic design showcases how a simple, well-constructed wooden fence can create effective privacy. The solid vertical planks offer complete visual blockage, ensuring a secluded environment. The wooden pergola overhead adds a sense of enclosure and structure, while also providing a framework for potential climbing plants or string lights. The comfortable outdoor sofa and chairs are arranged to maximize the cozy and private atmosphere created by the fence, making this a perfect spot for quiet conversations or simply unwinding in your own private outdoor room. 7. Modern pergola with louvered roof and slatted walls. Urban sanctuary. Sleek pergola with adjustable louvered privacy walls. This sophisticated urban deck features a robust black pergola with a louvered roof, offering adjustable shade and protection. What truly enhances privacy are the horizontal slatted panels that form the enclosure. These panels provide excellent visual screening without making the space feel completely closed off, allowing for some airflow and light. The brick wall below the slats adds a textural contrast and solid foundation. This design is perfect for rooftop decks or patios in dense urban environments, creating a private and chic outdoor lounge area complete with comfortable seating and a large dining table. 8. Decorative metal privacy panels with leafy design. Artistic seclusion. Laser-cut leaf pattern privacy screens. These decorative metal privacy panels are a fantastic example of blending artistry with functionality. The laser-cut leaf pattern adds a natural, organic feel while providing excellent privacy without completely blocking light or air. The rich, earthy tone of the panels complements the warm wooden deck, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Placed behind comfortable outdoor seating, these screens transform an open deck into a private conversation nook. This solution is perfect for adding a unique visual element and a strong sense of enclosure, making your outdoor space feel more like an extension of your indoor living. 9. Expansive deck with pergola and built-in seating. Elevated elegance. Pergola-covered deck with built-in benches and fire pit. This expansive deck is a masterclass in combining luxury with privacy. The sturdy wooden pergola provides excellent overhead structure and a sense of containment. The built-in wooden benches, adorned with numerous plush pillows, create a comfortable and defined seating area. While the balusters offer some visual break, the overall design ensures a cozy and intimate atmosphere, especially with the central fire pit table. The surrounding mature trees and a solid fence in the background contribute to the secluded feel of this elevated outdoor living space, making it perfect for large gatherings or quiet evenings. 10. Side yard deck with vertical garden and privacy fence. Narrow space, big privacy. Lush side yard deck with green walls. Even narrow side yards can become private retreats with smart design. This deck utilizes a combination of a wooden slatted fence, which provides a solid privacy barrier, and lush vertical greenery that softens the fence line and adds a vibrant, natural element. The tall, slender trees planted along the edge further enhance the feeling of seclusion. The large sliding glass doors connect the indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly, while the thoughtful landscaping ensures privacy from neighboring properties, making this a beautiful and intimate dining area nestled within nature. So, what are the best items to achieve that perfect outdoor deck privacy? Here's a list to get you started. First, privacy screens. These can be made from various materials like wood, metal like laser-cut designs, composite, or even fabric. They are versatile and come in many styles to match your aesthetic. Second, pergolas and gazebos. These structures provide overhead privacy and a framework for climbing plants or retractable shades. Third, lattice panels. A classic and cost-effective option, perfect for training climbing vines and adding a rustic charm. Fourth, living walls or vertical gardens. Create stunning green backdrops with planted panels, offering natural beauty and sound dampening. Fifth, tall planters with large plants. Strategic placement of large potted plants like bamboo, tall grasses, or shrubs can create instant visual barriers. Sixth, outdoor curtains or drapes. For a softer, more temporary solution, outdoor curtains on a pergola or frame can be easily opened or closed. Seventh, shrubs and trees. Evergreen shrubs or fast-growing trees planted along your deck's perimeter offer natural, long-term privacy and beauty. Eighth, fences both solid or slatted. A classic and effective way to establish a clear boundary and block views. Ninth, retractable awnings. While primarily for shade, some awnings offer side panels that can provide temporary privacy. 10th, outdoor rugs and furniture arrangement. These don't directly provide privacy but help define the space, making it feel more like a secluded room outdoors. Creating privacy on your outdoor deck is about more than just blocking views, it's about crafting an extension of your home where you can truly relax and be yourself. By thoughtfully integrating privacy solutions with your decor, you can transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and functional sanctuary that you'll love spending time in. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create your own private outdoor oasis. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home decor tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We'd love to hear which privacy idea was your favorite in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.